it shrinks a boo-boo.
And you wouldn't know boo-boo.
Where that came from,
This
boo-boo.
did not come from 45th Street. I don't even know where they're located.
Exactly, because you're stupid.
Because you're stupid.
You don't even know how to spell retarded.
I do.
You think
know
there's an
how
F
to
in
spell
retarded.
No, I don't.
And you think there's an I in
No,
teen.
I don't.
You said there's an INC, Bill.
No, you just
Boom.
did.
You did.
Boom. I'm
Boom.
drunk on this lick, so I know what I'm talking about
That
right
is
now.
exactly why the DJ kept stopping the music.
Here.
You can't dance. And you're out of your head. I told you to calm down, and I told you to put the drink down. You don't listen. And I'm older than
your
you,
big
I'm
head
trying to help
keeps
you
getting
out.
in the
I've
way.
only had one drink tonight, and look at where it's
No,
at.
you didn't. You
No, you
five.
fell on the floor. So I don't know why you're talking. And you're just mad because I beat you up in here and stole your wig. And then I just
How
gave
do
it
you
back to
steal a
you.
wig?
I snatched it off your head.
That's not stealing,
Do
sweetie.
you want, well, do you want me to do it again so you be
Listen.
embarrassed around here?
I will rip
Yeah.
every single one of them plaques out your head.
Boo
You
boo,
better
this is
stop.
my real hair, unlike this
Stop. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
synthetic.
Fingers out my face.
Okay, boo boo. Yeah, get some glue
Did
up
I just say
there.
fingers on my face?
Get some glue up there, boo boo. Get some glue. Or I get
Leah,
my
you're making
shank
shadows.
or something.
Okay, when
You don't run up on me, because I will call 911.
Exactly
For
what white
you.
people do.
Nigger, you're going to go to jail.
I'd rather not be called a nigger.
Well, that's what I'm going to call you.
I'm not a nigger.
Duh! Kitty, like I said, I don't have time for this rapping. Back to the music, DJ, so I can break it down. If this girl doesn't have anything to say to me, shut up and let's party and be a stripper like you are. Get to your
At
job.
least I get money.
Get to your job.
At least I get money.
Oh, you want to get money? Dance.
I know she ain't just throw money at me. That was so disrespectful.
What you gonna do about
That
it,
was
Kitty?
so disrespectful.
What you gonna do about it, Kitty?
Darn it.
Ew, and drink. You are not gonna buy me another one. Don't you ever. Don't you ever. I'm gonna pull that wig off
More
you.
feet in